Welcome, Real World families. Today we're going to take a look at a 2-minute tip on edge dollies and how to use them. Let's go.
Got a job here I want to share with you guys. It's on the edge and around.
All right, so there you have this guy. How do you fix it? When you start glue pulling, it doesn't pull up. That's when you use things like edge dollies. So this guy can come right here and kick it up. Now I have this guy, but on this one, I'm gonna use this guy. Really broad, and it's from Cadabra, Abracadabra. I don't know if these are made anymore, but I'm gonna show you how to fix this. All right.
Before we go too far, let's examine what we're actually fixing here. So let's say a hailstone drops and hits this rail just like so. What's going to happen is some of that metal is going to get shifted inward, like the arrow's illustrating here. Now, a lot of times, if you simply just try to pull straight up on this, that shifted metal, that metal that's been displaced, is going to be fighting you the whole time. So this is the solution to that. Now watch what Hudson does here and make sure that you keep watching until you see the real world super speed footage because it's awesome.
I'll start with this guy right here. Now I'm going to fix this through looking through the phone. So I'm going to take this. All right, so we're going to come right here and watch how it moves.
Please note that Hudson is being very gentle while he does this, because while you can replace that displaced metal like he's doing here, making that happen in reverse if you go too far is incredibly difficult. So it's best to take your time when you're doing this.
All right, see how all that's coming up? Then come in here and just give a nice little down or two. All right, so we've got that going. Now we're going to come and do all this area. Once again, I'm fixing this through watching through my camera lens instead of actually looking at it, so we'll see how good it goes. Let's get on to the next one now.
Hold on, Hudson. Before we move on, let's watch this again at real world super speed. Now, this is the same clip sped up to 600% speed. Now watch that metal move. And again, so at this speed, you can really see the progress being made, where at real-time speed, it's not as easy to visualize. So last time, and there we go. That is awesome. All right, so back to normal speed, finishing up this repair. Let's go.
Here we go.
Now, don't worry, fans of Real World Super Speed, which, by the way, you all should be because it's pretty great. We are going to speed this up after we watch this in real time. Now that you've seen it happen sped up, though, you should be able to visualize it a little bit better here in real time. I just said real time too many times, but I've only got so much time to make videos, so we're keeping it.
Come over here, knock this down a little bit. Edge. See how a lot of it's coming up.
As promised, here's the same clip at 600% speed. We're going to call that real world super speed. Now watch again that metal move as Hudson uses this dolly trick to get these rail dents up. One more quick tip is don't use anything too sharp inside this rail here because you will distort the inside of this rail. That's why he's using that broad tip to do this with. Great job, Hudson. So quick reminder, this dent started out looking like this, and when he was done, it looked just like this. Now that dolly that he was using, I'm not sure is available anymore, but there is one from our friends over at Anson that you can purchase. What you're looking at here is the Red Edge Redemption Dolly, that's the red one, and the Ballistic Blue Dolly attached to the hoe handle. Now that's part of the Anson Connect system. These are the dollies that I'm using the most these days. Also, Hudson and I, and our wives actually, got to name them, so I think that's kind of cool too. As usual, I will include a link of where to purchase these in the video description. Also might be a great time to mention that when you become a member of RealWorldPDR.com, Anson is going to give you $100 worth of store credit that will definitely cover these dollies if that's what you choose to spend it on. So become a member of PDR Monthly and you'll have hundreds of high-quality PDR tutorials at your fingertips and get $100 worth of free stuff from Anson. You can't lose. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to our channel for the coolest PDR content.